Using pymongo tailable cursors dies on empty collections. Hoping someone can help me understand if I'm seeing an issue or if I just don't understand mongodb tailable cursor behavior. I'm running mongodb 2.0.4 and pymongo 2.1.1. Here is a script that demonstrates the problem. So if you look at the code, it is pretty simple to demonstrate the issue I'm having. When I run the code against an empty collection, properly capped and ready for tailing, the cursor dies and my code exits after one loop. Adding a first record in the collection makes it behave the way I'd expect a tailing cursor to behave. Also, what is the deal with the stop iteration exception killing the cursor? Next waiting on data. Why can't the backend just block until data becomes available? I assumed the await _data would actually do something, but it only seems to keep the connection waiting a second or two longer than without it. Most of the examples on the net show putting a second while true loop around the cursor. Alive loop, but then when the script tails an empty collection, the loop just spins and spins, wasting CPU time for nothing. I really don't want to put in a single fake record just to avoid this issue on application startup.
This is known behavior, and the two-loop solution is the accepted practice to work around this case. In the case that the collection is empty, rather than immediately retrying and entering a tight loop as you suggest, you can sleep for a short time, especially if you expect that there will soon be data to tail.